Standing as a testament to human ambition and devotion, Notre Dame Cathedral has watched over Paris for centuries. Its towering spires, intricate sculptures, and grand stained glass windows tell a story, one of faith, art, and resilience. Construction began in 1163 during the reign of King Louis VII under the vision of Bishop Maurice de Silly. Over nearly 200 years, master builders and artisans shaped this medieval masterpiece, blending Romanesque influences with the emerging Gothic style, a revolution in architectural design that sought height, light, and grandeur. Notre Dame's architectural ingenuity is unmistakable. The flying buttresses extend from its walls like elegant arms, distributing weight and allowing the builders to create vast, soaring ceilings. The stained glass rose windows, intricate mosaics of color, bathe the interior in a celestial glow, illustrating biblical stories in breathtaking detail. Beyond its divine beauty, Notre Dame carries whispers of mystery. Its famed gargoyles, silent sentinels perched upon the cathedral, were designed as both rain spouts and symbolic protectors, warding off evil spirits from the sacred space. Notre Dame has endured the tides of history. It witnessed royal coronations, revolutionary uprisings, and even near destruction. The 2019 fire was a devastating chapter, but like the spirit of Paris itself, the cathedral stands resilient. Restoration efforts are ensuring that future generations will continue to marvel at its grandeur. More than just a building, Notre Dame is a symbol, a place where faith meets artistry, where history is preserved in stone and glass. It has told its story for centuries, and with each restoration, it ensures the tale continues.